Hey guys, it's Ben here again from B210 and Ben. Today, going to nip on nostalgic and fix my manifold gasket. Oh, red car parking only. What are you doing?
Just, scraping and dusting.
It's looking good.
One of the crowns or something.
One of the crowns. Where is it?
The other shed.
Ah, that looks smick.
It's always a nice contrast on a ratty car to have really nice wheels.
Yeah, it's gonna look mad. Cleaning up that Morris A-Series engine here, and that's baby little tablet cover. It's like it's off a like half-scale Datsun or something. Alright, to the manifold gasket. So we're almost apart. I'm just struggling with the exhaust. It's hitting the drag link before it comes off. I think it's just because of the, it's still bolted to the rest of the exhaust, and I don't really want to unbolt it from that because I'm a bit lazy. So we're going to try not to, but we may have to. Alright, so I won that battle. Here's the gasket. Like, it's not that bad. Like, this could definitely go back on. I'm not gonna. This, you can see where it's been blown out, but like it hasn't. Oh, has it? Yeah, it has burnt the gasket out a little bit, but look, I think it's just because I need a mount to hold that muffler up a little bit more. It's a little bit low, although it doesn't look it there. It looks worse in person. I'm gonna get the bits to make a bracket for that today too. Hopefully that will fix all the problems up here. Lunch essentials. You get your 24 pack of nuggets from Macca's. $1 frozen Coke, can't beat that. Don't forget your 4 sweet and sours. If they rip you off them, go back and you can't can a mother. This is still the breakfast can, but I'm getting there. Okay, so we've been into town. We had to get a tap so we could tap this hole, and put some bungs in there. So now hopefully I will stop losing all my water down here. You can see where it was all coming out there. I bet that was running really good, pouring water in the cylinder. Just to make things more fun, I found this, which I don't know, doesn't look like it does much or it's very impressive or anything, but it's actually part of that. I'm guessing that's why the manifold was leaking really bad, and because it was all bulged up all around it there. I've knocked all the broken bits off, and I know it's not ideal, but I don't have much choice at the moment. It's just going back together like that. I'm going to put some water in it now and see if it leaks out either of them bungs. If not, laughing bolt it back together, hope for the best. If I get a few months before the manifold gasket starts doing shit to me again, I'll be happy. Alright, so I've got this far. Everything was going good except for that crack in the head. And then like, I'll have to apologize now because I've been trying not to swear in all my videos now. But check out this fucking piece of shit cunt. What the fuck? Are you fucking kidding me? Like, no fucking way, cunt. A fucking heap of shit. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, red line, fuck you. Fuck. Fuck. So like, that's it for today. I'm so fucking pissed off. That thing is just fucking last straw, cunt. Fucking, you want to buy a 120 wide with an L18 dogleg 5-speed? Ring me. I'll buy a fucking turbo Ford. Fucking shit. Fuck. Fucking cunt. Like, I don't know. I could get that one welded up, then I'd have to get it machined and shit because it's cracked around the mounting face. But like, it's fucking like $400 down the fucking tube. Fuck. Like, I've bought whole 120 wires for less than $400, cunt. Fuck. So, not happy. We're gonna leave this video there. I'm gonna have to leave my car here. And, I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do. I have to put a standard carby on it. I can't even put the Hitachis back on it because, all the linkage and shit on that thing's all fucked and I had to borrow bits and shit and fucking, it's not worth me fucking time either. Fuck. So, anyway, but when Mick gets back, I'm going home. Fucking heap of shit.